let's start this like exactly the same way you did the tape. Roll this around, and this is 9-inch.
So volume all the way down.
Yeah. See this started? So we have a little bit more than 9-inch. It's fine. But the bare minimum we require is 9-inch here.
Put like a shorter one in there.
Yeah.
But that one hit the block. These two hit the blocks.
Okay.
And then we're going to make sure we hit the joists on that. And then go ahead and put a thinner one in here that hits the subsurface. The plywood.
You want to put screws in there?
No, I want to put our liquid nails.
Oh, first? Okay.
Now go ahead and go back. Don't.
Hey.
Yeah, just straight back.
Go. Here. Stop.
Right there?
Yep.
No, dude, that's all right. That's a 1/4 inch off that one.
It is.
Yeah, come back.
We need like living
Yeah,
we'll come back.
why don't you go look at that? This may got moved, but
Gotcha.
same thing. That's okay.
You know, shotgun. Holy smokes.
Yep.
Ooh,
Levanta tu primo, levanta.
muy strong.
Verte, primo. Right there.
No. Hey, inside. That goes inside. This goes inside.
It can't.
It
No.
can. It should.
No, what about these?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. You're right.
Bye.
That's the way it is. No, really. Hi, my name is Praveen Krishnaya, and I'm the founder of The Out Factory. There's one thing I know for sure, that we make the world's best yurts, by far the best. I've been on many installations till now. This one is very special in the US. I'm at Tulsa, Oklahoma, and we're trying to build Sarah and Richie's yurt. This is yurt number 126, and we're going to have fun installing this, and I hope Sarah and Richie enjoy living in the yurt. Yep, looking forward. Thanks. One small step from the Out Factory and one giant leap for yurt kind.
I mean, I'm like literally looking right at you.
right.
I'm in. Ready?
Yep.
There you go.
Yep.
There you go.
It's hard to beat the wash in there.
Yeah.
The yurt is hard to make.
Oh, man. Do we have to do the washer? What's the washer doing? We already have the metal
The,
plate.
yeah, the washer should go on the
I
inside.
feel like the washer
This is more better, right?
Okay.
Fuck the washer.
I think so. I don't know.
Yeah. There we go. There
Yeah,
we
that's
go.
where you want it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now,
Now the next one.
now the next port, yeah.
Pieces. Oh, how you say? I don't know.
Like that, yep. Now,
That's
other way.
One second.
Macho Man have it to your left.
Right there. Yeah.
I mean, there's no reason that shouldn't work. You need to have tapered receivers.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think so?
Nah.
Okay, but if we strap it down.
Wait. That should come out.
What?
As in, that should come.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Oh yeah, that's way better.
Bolts aren't coming out, right?
Entonces necesitas hacer el labio con la broca todo hasta la madera, ¿verdad?
That's a 40 bolts.
That felt great.
Okay, that's good.
Y luego, ¿cómo?
That's good. So let's get the other one this side.
Hey, man.
I think it's okay like that. We're gonna have to kind of even out. It's gonna have to come down more. But let's let them pull it, and then we'll
pull it all out the same pot. I think.
Oh God.
Sí, lo que las cámaras te están mirando, eso no puedes armar eso. Happy. Okay, ahí voy.
Above the lattice. The profile has to be at the edge, as absolutely below.
Yeah, no, I'm looking
How below are we now?
I'm gonna say you're gonna be drilling about right there.
Just give me a second. Let me see it from the inside. Onto the. Perfect. Okay. Okay, that's good. Grind down, please. We can have an half-inch overlap. So these
Those
are
are gonna meet.
whatever is left over. Those are the ones.
You get a lot of hail on it. Drag on that roof. That's a problem. There we go. All right, here we go.
1, 2, 3. Go. Up.
Nice and easy now, Wick. Take it easy. Line up the straight. Yep. There you go.
Good to pull.
Yep, you're good. You're clear.
Go for it.
Baby, baby.
Well, I avoided this. Because I knew we were going to catch it. So I probably should have said that.
You got something to turn the turnbuckles with?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got some pliers.
Okay. What else you need?
I can just press up on my head. And
You got that. What can I do? Okay, yeah. This is gonna work.
The hat of the dome, is it flat on the fabric
On
or
the-
no?
Not really, because you have that lip on the fabric.
No, the lip.
You got the bead.
Yeah,
That
then.
bead running all
Okay,
the way.
can you visually see, your eyes can go see a gap in between the.
Maybe this one. Good team today. Yeah. You want to give that one a go? Not so much.
Just the nose.
Yeah, but
the
then,
nose.
but then
Yeah.
I don't think we should worry too much about it.
Okay.
Is it
I mean-
pretty even from the top?
You know.
It does.
I'm not concerned about it. I just
top is not
Yeah.
horizontal.
Yeah.
So like it's
I'm gonna
lower-
get that thing
slightly
screwed
lower
off
in the middle than it is on the
before I
outside.
do anything
Okay.
else.
Yeah.
Well, then why don't I'm gonna.
Okay, so. Give me one of these. Yeah. So, see, these go like these. All right. So this is 10 feet. Okay. So what we want is the fabric comes in here. So we want these holes, pre-drills out here, and let us, I might, depending on how big I'll cut off the last. So you might want to cut
Is that working?
maybe.
Yeah, we want to be underneath this.
Yeah.
But we want to be
Right there.
4 inches short.
Yeah, and we'll decide the cutting, how much to cut after we insert it into the fabric. Yeah.
Yeah, so you're saying we could cut this later if we want.
Yeah. So, but let's cut. How many we'll require of these? 1.
Well, if we do that, we have to cut all of them again because you won't be able to slide. If this is past, you won't be able to slide the bottom one in. So cut one like an inch long.
Yeah.
So if you'll cut that.
ओके ठीक है, ओके 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 ठीक है। नहीं नहीं वैसा करेगा तो, लेकिन ये फिर ये नीचे रहेगा ना। You'll get perfect. Otherwise, you'll get a couple of up, and then you're doing a lot of that.
All right, Brad, but if you're saying we were cutting these long anyways, it doesn't matter.
No, because see, we're going to cut this from here, right? Because you're going to slide this in. So this starts from here. Am I right? It starts from here.
That's the exact opposite of what we just talked about.
No, 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 no. This is the top part.
Yep.
Oh, okay. I can do that. And then
And then one on the edge. That's 16 inches.
just this? That looks huge. That's not right. Are we measuring or just pulling it tight?
Little more pressure.
More pressure?
Yeah, yeah. I think you.
Where are you? Thanks, man.
Ooh, I felt that.
Yeah, man, that's that little angle.
My worry was that what if there is a fire? Yeah.
That key, match that key.
Let you control the speed. I'm afraid to lose your finger. Watch
I appreciate that. We still want to, yeah. You
That's
got
much better.
Go a little
Yeah.
more, Trevor. Yeah, yeah.
And tell you to go eat.
Yeah, it was
Yeah. Yeah.